Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween and this is today's look. I tried two products that I've never tried before and yeah, one completely ruined my idea for this look, but the other went pretty well. So if you want to see which products I'm talking about, then stay tuned and let's get on with it. So to start off this look, I've covered a majority of my face with my foundation. I've left this cheek there for the time being. So now I'm going to take this Exotic Eyes kit, which has pretty much everything you need in it. And I've been curious about their products for several years now, but I've never actually tried them. So today is going to be a first. The kit I've got is the Nurse Kit, which should go perfectly with this look. It comes with the eye things, some lashes, glue and glitter. However, it doesn't come with instructions other than peel, stick, feel and go. So hopefully it works. So I'm not sure if this is a loose glitter or what it is, but it kind of looks like it's got gel in it. The lashes are very dramatic. I guess let's just dive straight into it and see how this works. Okay, I've managed to finally get one off, so hopefully it sticks properly to my eye. Okay, so that's what it looks like on. Now to try out this glitter stuff and see how that goes. Okay, so it's a thick glitter chunky goop. So let's just fill in the eye and see how that works. Oh wow, it's very pigmented. I'm not really a fan of that glitter. It is kind of irritating on my eye. Okay guys, that glitter goop I will not be using. I've just tried it on my eye and actually started burning my eyelids, so I had to wipe that off. If you've got sensitive eyes, I don't really have sensitive eyes, but if you've got sensitive eyes, do not use it. Because there's a big empty gap in this, I'm just going to take my blood sugar palette and use cherry soda and just fill in that gap area. I'm then going to take a lash glue and apply that to my eyelid and cover my lid with some glitter that I trust. Taking some black eyeliner in my waterline and then just smoking that out a bit with some black eyeshadow. Now I'm just adding those gems underneath my eye. Okay, so the other eye decided it didn't want to participate in this, and as I peeled it off, it's rolled onto itself. So far as the first impressions of this kit, I am really not liking it. So the other gems don't go to waste, I've just put them underneath my eye. So now I'm stumped about what I'm going to do for this eye. But I'm just going to continue with what I'm doing and then figure that out at the end. Next up I'm going to try Tensely Transfer. So basically like a temporary tattoo. Going to apply a bright red lipstick. Okay, and because I can't think of something that's quick and easy to do for the other eye, I'm just going to use a bandage and pin it in place. Add some muddy type colours to the bandage. Also dirtying that nurse cap up a little bit as well. And then I'm going to take a little bit of squirt blood and, as you've probably figured out, squirt it on me. And then on the other side, I'm just creating some blood tears. And this is a finished look. Overall, I probably wouldn't recommend Exotic Eyes unless I was just sent a bad product version of it. But yeah, it was a bit disappointing, especially when the first one I had so much trouble peeling off. Then the second one just rolled up on itself as soon as I took the first layer of plastic off. And it wasn't like I was ripping it off and in a rush or anything. I was slowly peeling and it folded onto itself and I couldn't get it unstuck. Also, the glitter glue thing that was in it, I wouldn't use. I don't have particularly sensitive eyes, but it irritated my eyes, so I couldn't imagine someone with sensitive eyes using it and not having some sort of irritation. However, it seems to be sticking well, so that's probably the only plus to it. Probably wouldn't recommend trying them, just my opinion. The toothly transfers, love it. So easy to apply, and I would definitely use these again. They look realistic enough by themselves without having to add more detailing and stuff, but I went over it with a bit of my foundation just to blend it more into my skin and added a little bit of blood. Thank you for watching today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 days of Halloween videos. Bye!